This is Rex. We're outside of Antioch Elementary here. And there's a tent, like a kid's tent on the side of the road. And Rex is gonna go get it if he doesn't get run over by a car first. Oh crap, it's starting to rain. Hurry up, Rex, it's raining! What is this? Dang it, I'm getting wet. Come on. Go! Come on. Go! Voice crack. Rex. Rex. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Too funny. Hurry up, Rex. It's raining. Yeah. No crap. Now get over here. Don't get run over. Oh my god. Rex, what are you doing? What is it? What is it? Oh, I'll take it. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna carry it in front of my face. Alright. Okay, Rex, where are you going? Where are we going? Rex. Rex. Okay, we're in the rain.
I'm not.
Cloudy. Yeah, you're not. You have a tent on your face.
It's still coming through though.
Oh my god, this is too good.